More than 1 month ago, I got Android 10 with Realme UI 1 on my Realme 5. And this update comes with so many bugs and issues, and I am looking for new update from Realme. So 2 days ago, I got new update from Realme. This update improve your bugs and issue, and this is also improve your security system, Realme Lab, settings, system and status bar, and also your camera. I'm completely done my update successfully. So now talk about my using experience last 2 days. And I am also facing some problem. If you using too many apps at the same time, you can face your phone lagging, and this is the main problem. On the other hand, the camera performance and battery health is pretty well. I do not facing any problem with this, and if I got any update in future Realme 5 device, I am definitely make a video about that. So subscribe right now and hit the bell icon. Okay, today video about that. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time in another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.